All right, this is the best part of my job.
Deciding who gets to attend our prestigious university.
How many applicants we got this year?
2005.
For how many spots?
2,000.
Oh no, we gotta cut 5 kids?
Bummer. I hope they've applied to at least one more school.
Okay, how many applications do we have this year?
100,000.
What?
Are we even that good of a college?
I guess so.
This was my safety school when I was a kid.
If it was like this when we were teenagers, like zero chance we would have gotten in.
Oh my goodness.
What?
This girl got a 1,000 on her SAT.
Quadruple digits?
What? Is she like a computer?
I did not even know that numbers went that high.
I hope we don't lose her to like Harvard.
Accepted.
A 1,400 on her SAT.
Oof.
I know.
I mean, we're test optional. Why would she even put that on her application?
Maybe she'll make up for it with an amazing essay. Here's a solid applicant.
Tell me everything.
His essay is about his hero.
That's so heroic.
He says his mom is the wind beneath his wings.
He quoted Bette Midler? That's deep, man.
So vulnerable.
In.
This says he lived without electricity and taught himself organic chemistry by candlelight.
But he didn't learn electrical engineering to rig up a light.
Guess not.
And he also didn't design a new photovoltaic battery.
You know, college isn't for everyone.
Holy cow, you see these extracurriculars?
Babysitting, and she made friendship bracelets at camp.
How does she manage to do both of these things in 4 years?
That's the sort of work ethic we need at this Ivy League institution.
She's basically the CEO of her own company.
We should give her a scholarship.
So she led clinical trials at a research institute.
Yeah, we have like 1,000 applicants that did the same thing.
Says here she cured cancer.
But only one kind of cancer.
Yeah, there are so many.
So many.
Do you think this feels like a wait list?
I mean,